I remember a time when I looked up into the night sky and wondered what all those tiny lights were. Little did I know, the reality of that childhood curiosity would change my life forever. It would change the way I view myself and the world around me. It was an incredibly humbling realization that I would have some years later. It was the realization that our sun was not the only sun out there, that it was one of countless billions of other suns in our galaxy alone, all of which have their own potential planets orbiting around them. Realizing our place in the universe drastically changed my mindset. It helped me break free from the constant human conflict and to see things how they really are. It helped me see humanity from the outside. It's saddening to see so much fighting, chaos, and division in the world, when it is the only world we have, and we are all here together. I can also remember the amazement I felt when I learned that we are all connected. It sounds crazy, but it's true. Nature has a tendency to do that. In every walk of life on Earth, be it a blade of grass, a summer flower, a tiny ant, or a bird, or an elephant, or a human, we find a common genome amongst us all. A single piece of DNA found in every living being on Earth. Not only are we connected to each other, but to the universe as well. Traces of stardust lives within us all, and it helps make up everything around us. Stardust that came from many years ago, when high-mass stars became unstable and exploded. These early explosions are what spread the periodic ingredients around the universe, and over lots and lots of time, became life. And these elements exist within us all. So as crazy as it may sound, and as much as it doesn't feel like it at times, deep down, we really are all one.